This tiny e-bike claims to pack a serious punch and fold away in seconds. But can it really deliver on both? Today, we're taking a closer look at the APYEAR electric bike for adults, a compact commuter that promises a lot. Right off the bat, its folding design is a huge win. We're talking about a folded size of roughly 28 by 19 by 23 inches. That's small enough to genuinely fit into most car trunks, making it perfect for city dwellers, students, or anyone who needs to combine their ride with public transport or car trips. The aluminum frame keeps it relatively light, which is a nice touch for carrying. But don't let its small stature fool you. Underneath, it's rocking a 500-watt brushless motor, pushing you up to a zippy 20 miles per hour. And for those pesky hills, it handles inclines up to 15 degrees with surprising ease. You've got 3 riding modes: pure electric for cruising, pedal assist to extend your range and give you a workout, and a traditional bike mode if you want to save battery or just get some exercise. The 20-plus miles range on pedal assist from its 576 Wh battery is pretty solid for daily commutes. Speaking of the battery, it's a 48-volt, 12-amp-hour unit, and I really appreciate the anti-theft key design. It gives you that extra peace of mind. Charging takes about 4 to 5 hours for the first go, and then you can top it off in a couple of hours after the green light comes on. Just remember to keep it above 20% power. Now for comfort and safety, APYEAR hasn't skimped. Despite the 14-inch wheels, you get adjustable seat and handlebar heights, which is crucial for different riders. What really stands out is the multi-shock absorption system. We're talking front fork, center, and even seat suspension. This is a game changer for smoothing out those urban bumps and cracks. Disc brakes provide reliable stopping power, and the integrated front and rear lights, along with an LED display for battery info, ensure you're visible and informed day or night. It's also great to see that it's UL and GCC certified, adding another layer of trust. This bike is clearly designed for convenience and fun. It's not built for extreme off-roading, but for zipping around the city, running errands, or just enjoying a leisurely ride. It's a fantastic option. The included toolkit and kickstand are thoughtful additions. Overall, the APYEAR electric bike delivers an impressive blend of portability, power, and comfort in a compact package. It's a genuinely fun and practical solution for anyone looking to simplify their daily commute or add a little adventure to their routine.
Check out the video description for updated price. And thank you for watching this video.